Good day, students. Our topic for today is mastering the art of everyday makeup application. The objectives: by the end of the lesson, 85% of activity 1 will be able to identify the essential tools and products used in everyday makeup application after watching the instructional video with at least 80% accuracy. Second, I demonstrate the step-by-step process of applying basic makeup for daily wear, using personal tools and materials with proper technique and hygiene. Third, evaluate different facial features to apply appropriate makeup styles based on skin tone and face shape using a guided self-assessment checklist. Fourth, create a simple, polished, everyday makeup look following the techniques shown in the video that enhances natural features effectively. Introduction: makeup is a powerful tool for enhancing one's natural beauty and boosting self-confidence. In this lesson, learners will explore the basics of everyday makeup, including tools, products, and step-by-step techniques to achieve a clean, professional, and wearable look. Whether you're new to makeup or looking to refine your skills, this multimedia video will provide practical guidance for mastering a daily routine. Our motivational activity for today is all about what's the name of this makeup? It's foundation. What is this? It's mascara. Third, eyeshadow. Introduction to everyday makeup. What is everyday makeup? Everyday makeup refers to a light, natural-looking makeup style suitable for daily wear, whether for school, work, errands, or casual outings. It emphasizes enhancing your natural features rather than making them. Benefits of learning everyday makeup techniques: first, boosts self-confidence and appearance. Second, saves time by streamlining your beauty routine. Third, helps develop basic skills for future makeup techniques. Fourth, encourages proper skincare and hygiene practices. Fifth, offers a polished, professional look suitable for many occasions. Tools and products: essential brushes and their uses. First, foundation brush or sponge. It's for smooth foundation application. Second, concealer brush is for targeted coverage. Third, powder brush is for applying setting powder. Fourth is blush brush is for cheek color. Fifth is brow spoolie and angled brush for grooming and filling in eyebrows. 6. Lip brush or optional for precise lip product application. This is the examples of tools and products: lip brush, foundation brush, sponge, concealer, powder brush, blush brush, brow spoolie, and angled brush. So there are the tools and products. Basic makeup products for everyday use is for: first, primer. It creates a smooth base and helps makeup last longer. Second, foundation evens out skin tone. Third, concealer hides blemishes and dark circles. Fourth, powder sets the makeup and reduces shine. Fifth, blush adds healthy colors to the cheeks. 6. Brow products defines the eyebrows. 7. Mascara enhances the eyelashes. 8. Lip color completes the look with a subtle pop of color. So So these are examples of basic makeup products for everyday use. There's primer, lip color, mascara, blush, foundation, powder, brow products, and concealer. So these are the pre-makeup skin preparation. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and old makeup. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Toning balances the skin's pH and tightens pores. Moisturizing hydrates the skin and creates a smooth canvas for makeup. So these are the step-by-step makeup application. Applying primer and foundation. Primer is applied first to smooth skin texture and help makeup adhere. Foundation is then applied evenly to even out skin tone. Using concealer correctly. Apply to dark circles, blemishes, or redness. For extra coverage, usually tapped in with a brush or sponge. Setting with powder. Powder helps like in foundation and concealer, reducing shine and increasing wear time. Enhancing features with blush, brows, and lips. Blush adds warmth to the face. Brow products help define and frame the eyes. Lip color adds balance and brings the look together. Optional steps, eyeliner and mascara. Eyeliner adds definition to the eyes. Mascara lifts and darkens lashes, making eyes appear more awake. Adapting to face, shape, and skin tones. Choosing the right shades. Foundation and concealer should match your skin tone. Blush, lip, and eye shades should complement your undertones or cool, warm, and neutral. Application tips for different facial features. Adjust blush placement for different face shapes. Use contouring subtly for structure. Choose makeup tones that flatter your unique features. Finishing touches. Setting spray or powder locks makeup in place and gives a long-lasting finish. Choose based on your skin type or matte for oily, dewy, or dry. Cleaning and caring for makeup tools, brushes, and sponges should be cleaned regularly or ideally weekly to avoid bacteria build-up, which can lead to breakouts or infections. Let's proceed to the assessment activities. Instructions: choose the correct answer and write the letter of your choice. Assignment video demonstration. So please read the assignment and understand the concept. So these are the references that I get. Thank you.